next up, we're going to go to PDS, Power Diagnostic Service, and see what they have here. 안녕하세요.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. James?
Yes.
Alex. Well, thank you for having us. Can you introduce your company, PDS, to us? 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
Okay. So normally the PDS, the company is we are global company. So I'm the one in the Korea, the branch of the responsibility of CEO. So normally in our company is manufacturing in the Swiss.
Okay.
And then Swiss is focusing in the Europe.
Yes.
And we have the manufacturing in something like Taiwan in the focus in the APEC. So normally we are doing is not only like we apply the integration system and we apply the something like a PD monitoring system. Also,
Yes.
it's not only PD, we also integration temperature total solution for such kind of the service in the globally. Yes. So that's to show you what we have.
Absolutely.
We have the two kind of system. If you can see, we call the PD care. This PD care we call is for online in cloud service. So the mean is that a lot of clients they will be sending the data into the cloud, and we will be have the 24-hour, 7-day the continuous service in this kind of the system. And in the right side, it is the something offline system. In some client, they can be just want to apply system in the local. They don't want to go to cloud. So we have the two options for client to selection. What is the software based on cloud service and based on local service. And after we got a message, can be got by mail, message, and app. It can be allowed login by each customer. So once got a problem, we will go to service. So this is what our system in the working in the globally, like a big manufacturer of the semiconductor, like a TSMC and like a UMC, and even we have the offline system in the Hyundai Motor and Kia Motor, such kind of in the local supplier like this. So let's go to our system.
Right, here we are.
Yeah, so this is quite very simple to show every people. It's like you can see this is for we call a switch gear. It's very quite simple. We just install one sensor in the switch gear. You can see this is for data collection of we call the PT survivor. You can be easy to gather all the information, all the condition and risk level into this module, and client will be easy to gather something information. Okay, so this is we call it's very quite easy to detection in the transformer side. We call the dry type transformer. It's quite to protection. It's not only for transformer, including the cable. So once installed the case cable, we just can be protection full system into the one for we call a PD solution for like this. So you can be see, this is what we do in the globally. So we have in the Swiss, in the headquarters. We also have a branch in the China, Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, and US. So this is have the office in there. So we also have the 50,000 for such kind of the online device for detection in this one. So we have a lot of database in the cloud. So let's go to we can be see the such kind of the system.
Sure thing.
So this we call the PDS1.
Right.
It's the integration of for rotation solution. So we can be detection temperature, vital, something power quality meter to looking for this the rotation condition is good or not. So this device we already show is the we call PD survivor. It's very quiet, very light and easy, and something AI technology into there for deep learning system. So this kind of sensor we call the TM sensor, UHF. We are use this sensor in the switch gear, the panel inside for detection signal. And this sensor we call the TM sensor. This quite very useful for install each kind of the equipment for GIS, transformer, and even the switch gear of CGIS. This kind of sensor we also can be specialized for very big size of the generator. Big size of the generator. They must have the special size of the bushing sensor to detect the PD system also. So such kind of sensor will be developed by PDS system. So once we are doing like this, so the mean is we are totally solution will be like this. First, we will be very easy and quite simple to installation sensor into the one switch gear. Once here or over there they have something PD we can be through. We just detaching our sensor very easily and quite simply. And then this one will be use the same kind of sensor for this kind of detection. So this what is we do in this one of the system. So let's go to introduce what the system we have here. 6 different of device. We can be make the solution to through our DAU and go to through the we are local the software, or you customer want to go to cloud service. So this kind of solution it will be done by our system technology to integration.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking with us and explaining your product to us.
Okay.
And good luck this week.
Okay.
Hope everything goes well.
Thank you.
Thank you, James.
Yeah.
Great. So there you go. A little bit of the ins and out of how that system works.